the all-white brunch at the Avenue, happening on 26th of November this month. The venue is Garden City. It's a branch. It's all white. Dress code is white, strictly white. It's all white branch. And then it's a mixture of urban touch and then the local Ugandan touch as well. We are performing guests like Simi. We also have Bebe. We have Irene Tale. We have DJs like Major League DJs from South Africa. We also have our host like Ethan. We also have another host called Shan. And then we also have a Beka band.
White, Kampala white, the room to have almost Masuti, Abora Bambade, Masa. We look at Yomari White, either Mugulengo Yezo, is a white, chicken of Chikam. A chili Roquacha Lichachiro, Rasipate Tandika so Tulino Costa, but DJ Banji, Nechino, Roquach Tandika, Misana, and Tuatamanakutamira, Galabalabe, Abayimba. It will be a branch, no patterns in the state of Misana.
Send again at Kamisana package case.
Again at Kamisana, Pakasama Mukabis. Naye Abayimba Singa Mani, Bagenda Bonapima, Misana. So it's just to end a Chikuba just to cut our Chikuba. Sawas in no ticket is Rukumitwalo Kumi, Neko Lunaku, Kubanga Twagalaban to Baje, Gatiznava to Kasawa Ngabude Buchari. Taddewo packaging abojange msawa mukage zemisana zinabatuka ojasa sura mitwalo 17 nebo ojasa mukage zemisana nga zeisewo ojja kusasula mitwalo 15 so ekyo tukikoze twagala abantu bajje mangu bo bimanye by'abana Uganda balwawo ne kati twagala tukubateka embeera culture